Do you want to speak English when you travel? Do you want to feel confident at the airport, in a hotel, or in a restaurant? If yes, you are in the right place. I'm Luna, your cheerful English friend, and welcome to English with Luna. Here, we learn English in a simple, fun, and friendly way. Today, we will practice 100 easy English sentences for travel and vacation. But don't worry, we will go slow, we will go step by step, and I will help you all the time. Maybe you are scared to speak English when you travel. Maybe you think, my English is not good. It's okay. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to practice. And I am here with you. Now, how will we practice? We will use the shadowing method. It sounds difficult, but it is very easy. This is shadowing. First, I say a sentence. Then you repeat after me. Try to copy my voice, my speed, and my tone. That's it. Easy, right? Shadowing helps you speak English faster, improve your pronunciation, feel more natural when you talk, get confidence when you travel. So relax, breathe, and enjoy. Let's start this journey together. Are you ready to travel in English? Let's begin. I travel by plane. I go to the airport. I have a passport. I wait at gate 3. I take a taxi to the hotel. My room has a big bed. I eat breakfast at the hotel. I visit the city center. I buy a ticket for the museum. I take many photos. I walk on the beach. The water is warm. I drink fresh juice. I relax under the sun. I swim in the sea. I go on a bus tour. The guide tells stories. I eat local food. I visit famous places. I enjoy my vacation. I buy souvenirs. I take many photos. The hotel is comfortable. I sleep very well. I meet new people. We talk about our trips. I try different drinks. I watch the sunset. The sky is beautiful. I feel happy and free. I visit famous places. I walk a lot every day. The food is delicious. I relax at the hotel. I enjoy the fresh air. I ride a bus to the city. I listen to music while I travel. I explore the streets. I learn new words in English. I have a great time with my family. I buy souvenirs for my friends. I talk to people in English. I watch the sunset on the beach. I sleep well after a long day. I feel happy on my vacation. I take the train to another city. I eat breakfast at a cafe. I check the weather every morning. I take a boat tour. I visit a museum with my family. I feel excited when I arrive at a new country. I always take photos because I want to remember my trip. I enjoy walking around the city and exploring new places. I like trying local food to learn more about the culture. I ask for directions when I don't know where to go. I feel relaxed when I listen to the sound of the ocean. I love watching airplanes take off at the airport. I speak English to ask for help during my vacation. I make a travel plan so my trip is easier and more fun. I share my travel experiences with my friends when I return home. I book my flight early because the tickets are cheaper. I check in online so I don't have to wait in a long line. I take my passport and keep it safe in my bag. I stay at a hotel that has a nice view of the city. I enjoy sitting by the window during the flight. I walk through the city center to see famous places. I ask the hotel staff for recommendations on where to eat. I learn a few basic phrases to talk to local people. I visit the beach early in the morning to avoid the crowd. I drink cold juice while I relax under the sun. I feel nervous when I travel alone, but I also feel brave. I use Google Maps to find my way in a new city. I enjoy meeting people from different countries. I take a guided tour to learn more about the history of the place. I wear comfortable shoes because I walk a lot during my trip. I buy a travel ticket that includes bus and train rides. I watch travel videos to prepare before I go on vacation. I write about my favorite moments in a travel journal. I listen to English podcasts while I travel on the bus. I try to speak English even when I make small mistakes. I feel happy when I wake up in a new place during my vacation. I check the weather before I decide what clothes to wear. I enjoy walking near the beach and watching the sunset. I talk to other travelers and ask them about their trips. I like to visit museums to learn more about the country's culture. I rent a bicycle to explore the city in a fun way. I feel safe when I travel with my friends or family. I try local drinks to experience the taste of the country. I listen carefully when people speak English to understand better. I take short videos to remember special moments from my trip. I feel proud when I use English to ask for information. I visit famous landmarks and take pictures with them. I try to speak slowly and clearly when I talk to others. I enjoy staying in a cozy hotel with friendly staff. I pack light so I can move easily during my vacation. I try to learn something new from every place I visit. I talk to local people to practice my English and make friends. I feel more confident when I can travel without getting lost. I share my favorite travel memories on social media. I want to travel more to improve my English and discover the world. Okay, my buddy, these were the 100 English sentences about travel and vacation. I'm super proud of you for staying until the end. Now, I want you to repeat these sentences many times out loud. This will help you improve your pronunciation and feel more confident when you travel. Remember, the more you practice, the more natural your English will sound. One day, when you are at the airport or in another country, you will say, "Wow, I can speak English now. Thanks, Luna." If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your travel bestie. I'm Luna, your cheerful English friend, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye!